Imagine a life free from the burdens of mortgage and debt, a life where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality. Welcome to the world of alternative building methods, where the impossible becomes possible. Our protagonist, a hardworking individual, is just like you. Tired of the constraints of traditional living and hungry for change, they sought a life less ordinary. The solution? A tiny giant lifestyle workshop and online video courses. This wasn't just a workshop. It was a stepping stone to a life of independence, growth, real change, and innovation. The workshop was a whirlwind of learning, an immersion into the world of Aircrete. Aircrete, a lightweight, sustainable material, is revolutionizing the way we think about construction. It's easy to work with, inexpensive, and environmentally friendly. But most importantly, it's a ticket to a debt-free life. Our protagonists dived headfirst into the workshop, their hands molding the future with every piece of Aircrete they touched. The process was simple, yet the results were nothing short of extraordinary and life-changing. They learned to mix the materials, to shape them, to create something tangible from the intangible. And with each passing day, their dream home began to take shape. Building a home from scratch is no small feat, but the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. As they poured the final piece of Aircrete, the last brick in their debt-free home, a sense of pride washed over them. They had done it. They had built their own home. But their journey didn't end there. The skills they acquired at the Tiny Giant Lifestyle Workshop didn't just build a home, they built a lifestyle free from the chains of debt, a life of absolute freedom. The world is full of possibilities waiting for us to seize them. First step? Signing up for a Tiny Giant Lifestyle Workshop or get the video course. Place plumbing, lay a foundation, learn the secrets of Aircrete, install wiring, build a solar system, build truss and place down the roof, size and install air conditioning, meet like-minded individuals, and embark on a journey to a debt-free life. The path to financial freedom and home ownership isn't a mystery. It's a choice. Make that choice today. Sign up for a workshop, enroll in the video course, and start building your future. Your debt-free life of home ownership and lifestyle of freedom of choice is just a workshop away.